How to change your Pinterest profile picture? Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. Here, you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on a diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Pinterest profile picture. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your homepage. Below, you can see some icons. Click on the profile icon below in the left of the screen. Then you will see the Edit Profile option. Click on it, and you will be guided to this space. Again, click on Edit. Then, click on Update Profile Picture. Now, select the profile picture you want to set it. After you select the picture, click on Done to change it. It will take a few moments. You have successfully changed your profile picture here. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.